morning, madam. Myself, I am B. Renuka, second MZC. Today, my topic polymerase chain reaction. What is polymerase? PCR is a technique. It is used to the amplification of many copies. It is specific segmented of DNA is known as polymerase. I will share a PPT. In vitro techniques for generating large quantities of a specific DNA sequence. It is automated version of the DNA replication. The polymerase chain reaction is usually called just PCR. PCR is a common laboratory technique used to make a many copies of particular region of DNA. It makes millions or billions of copies from a single DNA within a short time. The less than 5 hours, PCR is a technique of gene amplification. He was invented by the Corley B. Mullis in 1985. He was received in Nobel Prize in Chemistry in PCR 1993. Polymerase. DNA polymerase is used for replication of the target sequence. Chain reaction. DNA sequence is repeatedly replicated. PCR is a cyclic process, consists of a series of 30 to 35 cycles. Each cycle is a 3 steps. First one is denaturation, second one is annealing, third one is extension. Each cycle lasts from 3 to 5 minutes. Takes place in small polypropylene tubes known as PCR tube. Reaction is automated by using an instrumental known as thermal cycle. PCR is carried out in single tubes kept in thermal cylinders. The programmable to alternate heating and cooling. The DNA to be amplified reagent, two types: oligonucleotides, primers, deoxyribonucleotides. It is DNA PCR protection large quantity of the target DNA sequence given DNA segments. PCR is an DNA replication reaction. Polymerase chain reaction present in 3 types. First one is denaturation. Denaturation is the first step in PCR. In the first step, the reaction mixture is heated to 94 degrees Celsius for 1 minute. This temperature denatures the double stranded DNA into 2 individual strands. Next one is annealing. It is also called as hybridization. Annealing is the second step in PCR. In the second step, the reaction mixture is cooled slowly to 55 degrees Celsius for 1.5 minutes. During this time, one primer binds to 3 ends of one DNA strands and other primers binds to 3 ends of complementary strands. This process is called primer annealing. Next one is extension. Extension is the third step in PCR. In the third step, 72 degrees Celsius temperature is provided to the reaction mixture for 1 minute. This temperature suitable for DNA polymerase. Each of these two double DNAs formed in the first cycle enter into the second cycle. The second cycle is repeated several times. After PCR has been completed, a method called electrophoresis can be used to check the quantities and size of the fragments of products, and this temperature is optimal for the catalytic function of the DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase binds and synthesizes new DNA strands. This is process extension. This is the PCR cycle. The polymerase chain reaction applications. PCR has the following applications: evolutionary studies forensics analysis such as for parenting testing, crime investigation, genome sequencing process, diagnosis and disease, agriculture test, and it is used to propagate DNAs to detect the sex of the baby even 18 to 16 call stage. This technique is used in vitro fertilized eggs. This is the polymerase chain reaction. Thank you, madam, giving this opportunity.